Welcome. In this video, you will learn that how you can delete your search history on Facebook. I will guide you the step-by-step process. Let's roll. First of all, click on Facebook application. Make sure you are logged in and also make sure you are using the updated version. So here is the search bar and this is my search history. Now to delete my search history, I have to click on see all, and this is my search history, and here you can see the clear all option. Click on it. This will remove your entire search history on every device. You cannot undo it. Clear all, and voila, your search history has been deleted permanently. So now you can come back and again click on it, and here you can see that no search history is being shown. So this is how you can delete your entire search history on all devices in just few clicks. I hope you have find some value in this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.